Hi everybody, welcome aboard Valkyrie. My name is Cynthia. Today's video you are watching is a tour of the Atlantic Yacht Basin here in Chesapeake, Virginia. If you've been following along our journey on our winter 2023-2024 cruise, we have been in Chesapeake, Virginia at the Atlantic Yacht Basin for quite a while. We are waiting our turn to get on the schedule to have Valkyrie hauled out and have some work done. It was part of our plan all along, and it's just some regular maintenance and some painting and a few other things that Mark would like to get taken care of before we leave on the Great Loop in 2025. So while we've been here patiently waiting our turn, we've done quite a few things in the area that we can walk to and or ride our bike. But for this particular day, I decided to walk the grounds and go through the boat sheds. There's 4 of them, and they store all sorts of boats, all shapes and sizes, and so I thought I'd just give you a little peek. I do have several segments of this video sped up so that it shouldn't be too long for you. So just enjoy, and thank you for tuning in. This is the Great Bridge Crew, Chesapeake, Virginia, at the end of the Atlantic Yacht Basin's property. And here is the dock. I'm going to scroll around here. This is the end of the Atlantic Yacht Basin property. And we'll be bringing the boat around this inlet right here to get pulled out hopefully this week. But here's the crew boats. And we have, since we've been here, seen quite a few of them jogging around the property and coming down and practicing. So yeah, this is pretty cool. I didn't notice this here couple years ago when we were here, but our stay here was a lot shorter, so I didn't have as much time to walk around and explore. this is actually labeled shed number 1, but for my walk, it's our last shed.